If you want to create these sort of drone shots or drone-style aerial videos of a real location, you can now do it easily with AI tools, without needing a drone. Here's how to do this. First, decide the location that you want the drone footage of. My location will be this courthouse in Canada, so we need an image of what the location looks like from the ground. You can either find images on Google like this, or if there aren't any good, clear images, you can use the Street View on Google Maps to get an image of what the location looks like on the ground, and take a screenshot of it. Now, once we have the ground image, the second thing we need is a satellite image of what this location looks like from above. Again, we'll use Google Maps on the same location, except this time we will look at the satellite view and take a screenshot of it. Now we'll go to Google Gemini, we'll upload the ground image and the satellite image. Then we'll go Tools and press Create Image. Now we will enter our prompt, telling it to use the attached satellite image and front view of this building to simulate a realistic drone view shot of the same building from above.
Make sure the Pro model is selected here. And here's the image it gives us. We'll download this image file. Now, to make the video, we will be using the Google Veo 3.1 model, which you can do in Gemini. But I prefer to go to the Flow tool in Google Labs, as it's more convenient for making multiple videos at once. Create a new project. Now, change the video type from text to video to frames to video. Then press this first plus icon and press Upload. We'll select the image we just created and downloaded from Gemini. For the prompt, I'll keep it simple and ask it for a drone shot above the building. You can specify in the prompt if you want a certain type of movement of the drone shot. Now, make sure the model is set to Veo 3.1 fast and the number of generations you want, which I'll set to 4. Now, we'll submit it. And here are the different drone shots it created for us. We can download whichever ones we want or upscale them further and download.
Here's another example with a high school in Toronto as my location. Here is the image of the ground view I found. And here's the satellite view of the same location. Again, giving these two images to Gemini. And here's what it produced for us. And we'll go to Flow, upload this image as the first frame, and ask it to generate drone video shots. And here's what it gives us.